The role of microbes in maintaining soil health. Current issues. Improving and ensuring the health of our soil can increase the productivity and quality of our agricultural output. Modern agricultural practices and human intervention have impacted the health of our soils. Such issues include loss of topsoil, exposure to contaminants and pollutants, nutrient loss and desertification, or the transformation of healthy soil into sandy soil. Sandy soils contain less micro and macronutrients and have low fertility and low water retention. These qualities make for poor growing conditions in plant cultivation. As forests are cut down to increase farmland, the risk of soil erosion also increases. This could mean a loss of nutrient-rich and healthy topsoil. In some areas, soil is being lost at a much faster rate than it can be generated. Arable soil is a vital and often underappreciated resource. Soil and microbes. In modern-day crop cultivation, widely diverse native crops have been replaced by fewer, higher-yielding, shallow-rooted staple crops. As I stated in the previous chapter, monocropping and other modern-day agricultural practices have resulted in decreased soil health, soil erosion, and decreased biodiversity, which not only impact flora and fauna populations, but the microbial populations as well. Soils are home to a great many microorganisms, from protozoa and bacteria and archaea to fungi and algae. These microorganisms provide many essential functions that improve soil and plant health. They recycle dead plant and animal matter into nutrients and nullify pathogens. Microbes in the soil also have the ability to store gases such as CO2 that would otherwise contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. Soil microbes can store up to 1.8 times more carbon and 18 times more nitrogen than plants, making them vital elements to slowing down and even preventing greenhouse gas emissions. Improving and maintaining soil and plant health is vital to sustaining the world's food supply while supporting sustainable agricultural practices. There are various microbe-assisted methods currently being used or tested to improve soil health and quality. Soil management methods. Phytoremediation. Phytoremediation is a method of removing contamination in soil and groundwater using plants. Plants may be grown in areas that are contaminated and then harvested, aiding in removal of pollutants. The plants act as fillers or traps, breaking down, filtering, or containing organic or metal contaminants. Phytoremediation via microbes is a new but underutilized technology. AMF, Arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi. These particular fungi colonize plant roots to form a symbiotic relationship. These fungi help protect the plants against pathogens and certain stresses, promote growth and yield, and help protect the health of the plant and ecosystem. Utilizing these fungi may be a sustainable and environmentally friendly method which may replace certain chemical fertilizers. Utilizing AMF to improve soil conditions is one such example of the potential microbe-assisted phytoremediation methods. However, there are downsides to this method. AMF might compete for nutrients in the soil and could decrease the microbial richness and diversity in the soil. Combining AMF with organic fertilizers could potentially counteract this. Bacteria, such as nitrogen fixers, may also be inoculated into the soil. As I stated in Chapter 1.3, nitrogen-fixing bacteria convert nitrogen from the atmosphere into ammonia or other nitrogen compounds that plants may take up more readily. Nitrogen increases plant growth and yield. Organic fertilizers. The use of organic fertilizers improve the quality and stability of soil and may aid in changing soil's physiochemical properties, increase nutrient uptake by plants, and reduce pests. Microbes. Microbes can be utilized to increase crop yield and plants' resistance to disease, or may be able to prevent disease altogether. It is important to promote microbiome health to keep the soil and plant healthy and to increase the nutritional value of the plant. Microbial products may go by various names depending on their intended use. Such products include soil inoculants like the nitrogen-fixing bacteria, which are used to stimulate plant or root growth and may also be referred to as biostimulants. Others include biofertilizers, biopesticides, or probiotics. These products may be added to the soil or seed. The need for substitutes for harsh chemical fertilizers and pesticides, which have contributed to environmental contamination due to runoff, are driving research into alternative solutions. Microbes are also used to detoxify or to clean industrial wastewater. Through a system called bioremediation, microorganisms are used to break down pollutants in the wastewater. Compared to conventional methods, this method is much more cost-effective, environmentally sustainable, and creates no waste byproduct. Microbial soil inoculants have the potential to be a sustainable and environmentally conscious alternative. That said, it is not without its faults or challenges.